Feel like I should go dancing with this bad boy. Yes, 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 yes.
So we fade in the
Whoa. Dora the Explorer. All right, so it looks like, just based on where this is fitting, I have my tabs in the front. Boop, boop. They're going over the ear here. And like I said, I like to leave a little bit of my hair out here for more of a natural touch. This comes with a natural side part already. So it's already parted for you. We're gonna let it rock and roll with what it came with so we can see how it's fitting and what it's looking like right out of the box. Let me just make sure it's the same length. Maybe when I actually, oh, come on now. Yes, okay. Okay, I'm feeling this one. All right, let's go, let's do it. What I love about this spray is that it's just a one-stop shop. You know what I mean? Like it holds, it does everything it needs to do. I don't need to do a whole lot to it. So I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna lift up and spray as opposed to spraying directly on the lace while it's laying down. Mainly because when I do that, I get so much on the hair and it ends up getting really sticky or whatever you wanna call it. So I'm trying to do it a different way. I always forget I have these little tiny scissors from when I do my nails, so I'm gonna use those to cut as opposed to my regular shears. See if that helps me get a little bit closer in the mix. There's this little tab right here, and I feel like if I cut it, it's gonna ruin the wig. So I'm trying to leave it where it is, but I don't know about that, you guys. I don't really know what that's for, but it's a really hard stop. It's not as hard as on this side. It's a really hard stop. I will say that it's nice to have something to kind of pull on if I need to adjust the wig without pulling on the actual lace itself. So I'm kind of appreciative for that tab, but at the same time, I'm like, I hope I don't ruin this wig by cutting it too much. So I guess we'll have to see. So I've cut most of the lace off. Honestly, that's kind of what I'm rocking with this look. I don't plan on wearing it straight back, but I just don't feel like blending a whole lot right now. So I cut most of the lace off. So I'm just gonna go through and do a few corrective sprays and then add a little makeup to blend it all in. I'm loving this A-line. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to style this bad boy. Okay, let's style it, I can't wait. So we're just gonna add that makeup over here, kind of over that white cast that I see. Pushing it into the hair just a little bit. Once we get down in here, I'm gonna lay a little bit of baby hairs with my own natural hair. I'm not gonna try to create baby hairs out of the wig, because we all already know that's just not my ministry. We know it, we ain't gonna try to change it. Nice part about this is even after the makeup step, you can still do a corrective spray. So I see a little bit of lifting, boop, right here. So I just do a little spray and lay. I'm gonna tie this down real quick, do my makeup, and then we'll be back to style. As you can see, I brought a little bit of my natural hair out, and I'm using edge control to kind of smooth it down and blend it into the wig. That way it doesn't have such a harsh line to make it look like really wiggy on the side, in case I do want to bring it behind the ear. I'll bring some out here as well, trying not to create too harsh of a line there, but just really looking to make it look a little bit more natural. Once I have my side where I want it, I'm going to use a little hairspray to hold it in place. Not bad, not bad. Shoot, I might leave the top though. I might leave the top with that little bit of swoop. I'm not gonna lie. I might go ahead and leave this top kind of swooped and just give it a little bump. The wig, ooh, I love it. I have been itching. If you haven't noticed, all these bobs I've been getting, I've been itching to go shorter and shorter and shorter, you guys. So you let me know what you think about this wig. Here are my final thoughts overall. My final thoughts, you know, I gotta turn on the accent when it's time to talk. I absolutely love this wig. First of all, the cap on this one feels great. So thank you, LuvMe Hair. I don't know if you heard from the gods from above, or you heard my prayer, my plea, but this is a smaller cap, you guys. So it feels really good. I didn't even have to crisscross the bands in the back. It just feels really comfortable. I barely had to use the clips in the front. So I'm loving it. This is a really, really cute wig. I love the shape overall. The back feels really, really good and comfortable. I haven't seen the back like with a mirror or anything, so I'll have to, you know, see it at playback, and hopefully it's doing the trick. Oh, another thing I like, y'all, I know I tucked one side behind the ear, but it's giving me that A-line. It's giving me that little bit of a little umbrella vibes with Rihanna. You know what I'm saying? It's giving me the swing I need. It's giving me, it's still giving me sexy, but it's giving me professional at the same time. You know what I'm saying? So if you are every woman like me, just saying, this might be the boop. This might be the one for you. That Nene came out of nowhere. What's going on? The only thing I don't really like about this wig is that you can't really part it anywhere. But depending on who you are, and if this is like a beginner wig, or if you don't plan on changing your hair ever really, it might be really good because the part is set. You just put it on, style it. It was super quick to put on. Honestly, it took a good 5 minutes. I didn't do any tweezing. I really tried to keep this one as simple as possible for those who are just starting out or who are looking for a really quick everyday wig to go to. So for all my corporate bays out there, my 9 to 5s, my entrepreneurs who just need to do something real quick for that business meeting, this your girl. This is your girl right here. I'm your girl and this is your girl, okay? I got you covered. So thank you guys for checking out this video. You let me know in the comments what you think about this wig, and also make sure you check out the description box for more details and how you can save 15% off. Maybe more, I don't even know anymore. Gen20 is the code. Just save those coins, okay? Just save the coins, that's all you need to know. I'll catch you guys next time. Talk to you later, bye.